dear soulmates, welcome back to Kunmi Styling YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful twisted sleeve that you are seeing on my thumbnail. If this is what you like to learn, kindly watch from beginning to the end. And to our returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always staying tuned. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Alright, I've drafted my basic sleeves. If you don't know how to draft this, the video link will be on this video so that you check it out. So I've drafted the full sleeve. Then this is the midpoint of my sleeve. So this is my midpoint, though I'll connect this. I want to do slash and spread, so to the tip of my sleeve, then to this part. So after this, I'll be cutting it out. So don't forget, I've labeled it. This is the front part of my sleeve and this is the back parts of my sleeve. So I'll be slashing it this way. Let me label it. This is the center. This is the center, and this is the side. This is the side. So I will not slash it open, like I will not slash it through, just this slash this way also. So I'll be bringing another paper, but before then, for the paper, I'll get the midpoint on my paper like this, just a guideline. So I'll be placing this to it like this, in this manner. So I'll be opening it wide open, like 2.5 inch on both sides. Depending on how full you want the sleeves to be. So this is the points that I'll be using. Then to these other points, the same inch. Do you understand? So I'll leave some space of like half inch. Sorry, I'll leave a gap of half inch and half inch away. Then the other one will be on that point. So while doing this one, I'm going to be turning it upside down. So the center, one of the center will go with the side, and the other center will go with the side. So I'll be turning this upside down like this. So the center will be aligned on this line. Do you understand? So there is it. Now tape it down also like this. So I'll tape the other side. I've taped it down. So I'll just blend this and blend this side also. So after cutting out, this is what we have after cutting out. So I'll be using this to cut out my fabric and I'll show you. Alright, I've cut my fabric. I added half inch or round. Already while drafting my pattern, I have my side seam like 1 inch or 1.5 inch. So I just add this extra inch to it. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be sewing here like this point, like this, towards this side. I will not sew this part, I will not sew here, and I'll sew here like this, like this, like this. So I'll go and sew it and I'll bring it to show you. Alright, so mates, I've stitched it down. Look at it. I've sewn here. I've also go ahead to sew this part. So I'll be notching it and I'll go and give it a good press. So I'll go and give it a good press. So I've given it a good press. This is the center. Look at it. This is the center and this is the other center. Do you understand? And this is the two sides. So the next thing to do now is just grab the middle like this. Do you understand? So take it up this way, the middle. Just grab it this way in such a way that the inside one will not show and it will not come out like this. So you do it this way. Do you understand? This way first, then we twist this one to come up like this. Do you understand? So let me do it again. So after doing it like this, you know, if you do it this way, this inside one will show. Do you get? And we don't want it to show. So after doing it like this, you just bring this other one up. And the opening will be there like this. Do you understand? So our sleeve is ready. So what I will do now is that I'm going to just stitch this place down. I'll just stitch it down a little just to hold it together in place. So after that, you can see that I've stitched it down. I'm using a contrasting thread for the sake of the tutorial. So I'll be turning it like this. Can you see it? The sewing now is not showing. Can you see it? So the two sides has come together. I'll stitch this place down also. So I'll stitch it down. Just hold it side by side like this and stitch it. Don't overlap it. Just side by side. So you can see here I've stitched it down and our sleeve is ready. So this is the part where your hand will come out from, and this is the part that you will sew down. So the next thing to do is just measure around your armhole, get the point where your armhole gets to, then you sew this down. But while sewing down, we want the seam to be inside like this. So I'll go ahead to sew it down inward this way and I'll bring it to show you. So I've sewed it down, look at it, and I've turned it out. I've given it a good press. Can you see our sleeve? So I'll put it on my dress form so that you see the outcome. Look at the outside and look at the stitch on the inside. So here is the outcome after I fix it. Can you see it? Can you see how beautiful our sleeve comes? turns out. Can you see the opening? Alright there, soulmates, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you find these tips helpful. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.